तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम गजाननं भूतगणाधिसेवितं कपितजम्बोफलचारुभक्षं गजाननं भूतगणाधिसेवितं कपितजम्बोफलचारुभक्षं उमासुतं लोकविनाशकम्। ओम कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं दन्तावतारं बलिकेन्द्रारं तदा वदन्तं विजयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। ओम गजरानी राधा
Then we distributed the garbage boxes earlier, and then we are doing this clean water availability in the village. So continuously we are doing something or other thing for the villages.
ये जो कुंडई गांव है वो आपको नज़दीक वाला गांव है, आपकी जुरिडिक्शन में आता है?
इंडस्ट्री कुंडई इंडस्ट्रियल स्टेट में है, तो विलेज ये नज़दीक है अपने लिए.
And our compatibility with the Sarpanch is also very helpful. Whenever there is a proposal from there, we are happily adopting that proposal and going ahead.
इन फ्यूचर अभी ये गांव के लिए आपकी प्लानिंग क्या है?
Future course of action.
Just now we were discussing to provide a garbage collection facility on monthly basis. That from the Sarpanch this proposal was coming just now. So we are going to consider this also. I am Sudeep Singh from Oriental Containers Limited.
Myself Yashwant Parab. I am from Oriental Containers Limited, Kundai. I am working there as senior manager, HR and admin.